Well, you can't see it because there's a bus, but Town Topic with the fam. They're already halfway there. Fine. Believe it or not, this was actually Aunt Suyen's suggestion. See how it is. Everything is busy today because the weather is so beautiful. Now the bus is leaving. Town Topic. 3 little Indians. The kids are using the death ray to warm their hands. And they're fighting over space. Coffee. Haystack.
Where'd my bread go?
Now that the crowds have died down, everybody's rearranged. Back here at the Jefferson Highway Dog Park. Stella! Nice place to sit and take a breath. A breath. Now we're gonna try out $10 day.